everyone, myself Sowmya, Assistant Professor in CSE AIML Department, MLR Institute of Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about presentation tags. Coming to the overview of this presentation covers different presentation tags like acronym, address tag, B tag, that is bold tag and strong tag, big tag and small tag, block code tag. So these are all different presentation tags. Of course, we have so many other presentation tags also, but we are listing only few. So presentation tags are nothing but these are used to format or change the appearance of text and change the direction of the text in the web page document. For example, I'm giving my name here, so G Sowmya, and I want to give the designation of my so if the designation, if I want to write like that, some spacing should be there, right? So some acronym, something like that. So in that case, we can use some presentation tags. So based on the requirement of our usage, we can choose any of these presentation tags. So the first tag is acronym tag. So acronym tag, generally we know acronym is nothing but full form. So it defines the full form or stands for. An acronym must spell out another word. It is a paid tag not supported in HTML5. So in the latest versions, that is HTML5, this is not supported. So here it is used to display the acronyms. Generally, if I want to write AIML, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, so that is acronym for AML, right? So something like that, if I want to give the acronym for any word, then this acronym tag will be used. So here basically this is the example, but this is not supported in the latest version of HTML, that is HTML5. So here we are writing in the body tag, I'm just writing welcome to, and within the acronym tag, so title is equal to, what is the attribute we are using along with the acronym, that is title. So what is the title of acronym? Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So what exactly I want to display here? Just AIML. So AIML is the acronym tag. But if I want to know what exactly AIML, what is exactly AIML means, what is the full form of AIML, then if I click on it, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning will be appeared. So that is a use of acronym tag here, but it is not supported. So basically you will get the output like this: welcome to AIML. You can see an underline, a dotted text, dotted line under AIML. But if you place your cursor or if you click on it, you will get the complete acronym of that particular word. So the complete acronym word you are giving as an attribute with the attribute name title. So title is equal to, I'm giving the full form of this attribute. Acronym. So next is the address tag. So generally, if I want to display the address of any person, something like the font size, and in the first row, I should display the name, and the second row, I should display the flat number or the address, something like that. So we have some format. So to display any address, so generally we use this address format. So without using this address, if I want to display the address using P tag, then I need to use the break tag, or if I want to change the format of that, I mean, just to differentiate that. So normal data I'm displaying, along with that I'm also displaying the address. So this, just to differentiate these two, I need to give some different set of styles here, right? So instead of instead of writing everything separately, we can directly use the address tag, so that it will be displayed with a different font style, also in the different format. We will see how the address will be displayed if I use this tag. So it is used for indicating an address. The address usually renders in italic format. So if I use this address tag, whatever the address you are displaying, that will be appeared in the italic form. It is a paid tag. Of course, address tag should be closed after displaying the complete address. So here within the body tag, I'm just displaying the address. So address tag I'm opening and I'm giving the address here. G Sowmya, Assistant Professor, CSE AIML, MLR IT. And then I'm closing the address tag. So here, if you observe, this is the way we will get the output. So all the things which we are writing under address tag will be appeared in italic fashion. So if I write the same thing using P tag, I don't get like this. Why? Because the paragraph tag will give the complete text in a single paragraph. So if I want to display the same thing using P tag, again I should use the BR tag. Of course, here also you're using the BR. So next is B tag and strong tag. So B tag is a bold tag. A strong tag is also similar to that. So the HTML B elements defines bold text without any extra importance. It converts the text or characters into bold format. It is a paid tag, of course. So B tag is used to display the text in bold. Whereas strong element defines the text with strong importance, the content inside is typically displayed in bold. So for looking wise, both are similar, but the purpose, so where exactly you want to use bold, where exactly you want to use strong. So bold is used only to display it as bold, but internally you know when you should use strong or when you should use bold. So if I simply want to display the content as bold, you can simply use the B tag. But if you want to tell the importance of the text, so this particular text is important, so I'm just writing a statement. So in that statement some particular words may be important. In that case, instead of bolding that, simply bolding that, if I use the strong tag, it will give more impact. But the appearance wise, the both are look same. So if you can see the output here. So B tag will give the output like this, strong tag will also give the output as same. But internally, while writing the code, you know, right, which one which text should be in bold and which text should be in strong. So based on the importance of the text, you can use either B or strong. And next is big tag and small tag. To display the text in a bigger size or smaller size, we can use this big tag or small tag. Of course, we have the heading tags like H1 to H6. Those are for headings, but not for the normal text. If I write any text under H1 or H6, whatever it may be, any heading tag, the text will be appeared in bold. But this big and small will be in normal text only, but the size of the text will be like smaller or bigger. So we can observe the big tag is used to display the big font size, whereas small tag is used to display the small font size. So here this is the output. If I use the big tag, this is the output I will get. So little bit bigger when compared with the normal text, and small tag will give the smaller font size when compared with the normal text. And next is block quote. So it is a paid tag, simply it gives indentation. So if you want to give the indentation, for that purpose we are using block tag. So in the initial slide I explained, like if you want to give the designation or some caption of your text, you can use this block quote tag. So here of course it is I mean it should close with this. It is a paid tag. Coming to the example, so I'm just giving address here, again address tag I'm using, so that all these things will be appeared in italic, and I'm giving my name, and after that assistant professor I'm giving within the block quote tag. So you can observe the output here. So Sowmya followed by assistant professor. So here it is maintaining the indentation. So whenever you write the programs, like generally if you write some Python programs or any loop program, we would like to maintain the indentation. For example, I want to write if condition. So after this, open the brace and maintain the indentation, right? If you want to maintain that particular indentation part, generally we use this block quote tag. So here after displaying the name, some indentation will be given here, and after that the content will be displayed, that is assistant professor. So that's the use of block quote tag here. So that's about the presentation tags of HTML. So in this video, we discussed different presentation tags like acronym. Acronym is generally used for full forms, but which is not supported by the latest version. And address tag to display the address in different formats. So generally, if you write the address in address tag, that will be appeared in italic. And B tag is for bold, and strong tag is similar to bold, but if you have any text you want to mention it as important text, then you need to use the strong tag. And big tag will give the bigger font size, whereas small tag will give the smaller font size. And block quote is for indentation, and we have also seen the example applications, simple example applications. Thank you.